Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You.
Hi, James. Hi, everyone.
Alice, do you know the biggest secret of speaking English?
The biggest secret? I want to know it. Tell me.
You don't start with speaking. You start with writing.
What? That sounds wrong. I want to speak. Why should I write?
I know it sounds strange, but today you will understand. Today you will learn one simple exercise. It takes only 5 minutes. Many learners skip this exercise. That is why they stay silent for years.
5 minutes? Okay, I'm listening.
Great. Let's start with one big idea. Write fast in your mind, then speak fast with your mouth.
Write fast in my mind?
Yes, let me explain. Your mouth is not slow. It feels like your brain is slow.
My brain is slow. That's a little sad.
No, it's not sad. It's normal. Your brain needs words. Writing gives your brain words. Think about a GPS in your car.
A GPS?
Yes, a GPS needs a map first. Without a map, the car cannot move. Your brain is the same. Without words, your mouth cannot move. Writing gives your brain a map. Speaking follows the map.
Oh, so writing is like the map.
Yes, Alice. Now you understand.
But wait, I don't want to become a writer. I only want to talk to people. Why do I need writing?
Good question, Alice. You don't write for people. You write for your brain. Nobody will read it. It's just training.
Training, like exercise.
Yes, exactly like exercise.
Okay, but I know myself. I start, then I stop. I don't trust myself.
I understand, Alice. Many learners feel the same way. That's why this exercise is so small. Only one sentence every day. Small steps are easy to trust.
1 sentence a day. Okay, I can try that.
Now, let me show you the exercise. I call it the one-line rewrite method.
One-line rewrite method. Okay, tell me.
Every day you write one sentence, but you write it 5 times. Each time you change it a little.
Wait, why 5 times? That's a lot. I could just write 5 different sentences.
That's a smart question, but here's the difference. You are not writing 5 random sentences. You are writing one idea 5 ways. Now your brain has many ways to say the same thing. Maybe you forget one way. You can use another way.
Many ways to say the same thing. Okay, I think I understand a little. Can you show me an example?
Sure. Let's start with a simple feeling. I am tired. Now watch how we change it. I'm very tired. I feel tired. I need some rest. Today was a long day. I want to sleep. One feeling, 5 sentences.
I see it now. Same feeling, different words.
Yes, but there's one more thing. Sometimes one idea can grow bigger. Let me show you. Coffee is hot. The coffee is hot. My coffee is hot. This coffee is very hot. I can't drink it now. I'll wait a little. Look at that. One small thought. It grew into a real story.
Wow, it's like the thought is getting bigger and bigger.
Exactly, Alice. And in a real conversation, your brain already has 4 or 5 sentences ready.
So I never get stuck.
That's the goal.
This makes sense now. I was confused before. but now it's clear.
I'm glad, Alice. Wait. Most learners make one big mistake.
What mistake?
Many learners translate first, words in their head, then English words. Good speakers don't translate all the time. They see a scene, then they say it.
A scene?
Yes, this is called the English mindset. It's the most important part of today's lesson. You write, you make a small movie in your head. Later, you speak. Your brain remembers the movie, not the grammar.
A small movie?
Yes. For example, think of the feeling hungry. Don't think of the word first. Think of the scene first. An empty stomach. No food since morning. Then the words come naturally. I'm hungry.
Okay, I see the scene. Empty stomach, no food.
Now try another one. Think of the feeling cold. Don't think of the word. Think of the scene. No jacket. Wind on your skin. Your hands are shaking a little. Then the words come. I'm cold.
I get it now. Scene first, words second.
Perfect, Alice. When you write your one sentence, don't translate it. Picture the scene first, then write what you see.
Picture the scene, then write, not translate. I understand now.
Perfect, Alice.
But, James, sometimes I feel stupid. I know grammar, but I can't answer. I hate that feeling.
I know, Alice. Many learners feel this way. It's not about grammar, it's about speed. This exercise builds that speed, little by little.
Little by little. Okay, I like that.
Now, let me tell you a real story. Not a famous person, just a regular man. He lived in Japan. He was 52 years old. He studied English for many years, but he never spoke with a real person. One day, he started this exercise. He wrote only 3 lines every day, just 3 lines, nothing more. After 6 months, something changed. A tourist asked him for directions. He was afraid. His hands were shaking, but he answered. The tourist smiled. He smiled too. Not perfect English, but clear English. He wasn't perfect. He was comfortable.
Comfortable. I like that word. I don't need perfect. I just need comfortable.
That's the real goal, Alice. Before this method, learners know grammar, but they can't speak. After this method, learners build small sentences. They answer quickly.
Wait, James. So should I stop speaking practice completely? Should I only write?
No, Alice. Speaking is still the goal. Writing is the bridge. You write first, then you cross the bridge, then you speak.
Writing is the bridge. Speaking is the goal. Okay, now it's really clear.
Great summary, Alice. Now, can you review today's lesson for everyone?
Sure. First, our brain feels slow, not our mouth. Second, writing gives our brain a map, like a GPS. Third, we use the one-line rewrite method. We write one sentence 5 different ways. Fourth, we don't translate. We picture the scene first, then write. And writing is the bridge to speaking.
Perfect, Alice. One more thing. Start today, not tomorrow. Just one sentence 5 ways. That's all you need. Write one sentence today. Post it in the comments. I'll read it. Thank you all for watching. This video can help you. Please watch it again. Repeat listening helps your brain remember. Try this too. Listen to me, then repeat right after me. Please subscribe and press the like button. You can join our membership. You get today's PDF summary in your own language.
The PDF really helps me a lot. I read it every night before I sleep.
Thanks for watching. And as always, keep going and keep growing.